Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, in this beautiful moment, I would like to say thank you to Honorable Examiner and also First Supervisor Mr. Aceh Pariudin, MPD, and Second Supervisor Ms. Gartika Pandubuana, MPD, for giving me opportunity to present my research paper. First, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Neng Apple Yuni from B1 2017 English Education Program. My student ID is 172200N11. And now I would like to present my research paper entitled is Teaching Reading of Report Text Using Audio Visual Through WhatsApp Media in Junior High School. I have presentation outline. This is 5. The first one, background of the research. Second one, literature review. Third one, research methodology. Fourth one, the result of the research. And the last one, the conclusion, the research. Chapter 1 is the background of the research. Teaching reading is the process of teaching students to read a text in order to educate them to become better readers. Teaching reading is a method used by teachers to entice the student to read books or other material. Teaching reading can assist students in easily comprehending a text. A report text is a type of writing used to systematically report the findings of an observation or research. Because it is a report, the text must be written in the state of his text without making any sense, no matter how exaggerated it is. And then audiovisual material can be delivered through WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a communication media that follows the development of digital technology. The use of WhatsApp due to various considerations. One of the online learning media that WhatsApp is widely used during this pandemic. This application can be chosen because it has a variety of interesting features, including message, groups chat, voice and video calls, photos and videos, documents, and voice message. Through WhatsApp application, teacher can upload and deliver material and assignment easily via message. And then I have 4 research questions. The first one, how is the implementation of scenario in teaching reading of reporting using audiovisual at the junior high school? And the second one, how are the student and teacher responses towards teaching reading of report text using audio visual at the junior high school? And the third one, what are student difficulties in learning reading of reporting using audiovisual at the junior high school? And the last one, what are the student and teacher obstacle in learning reading of report text using audiovisual at the junior high school? And next, for objective of the research, the first one, to find out the scenario and implementation of audio visual strategy in teaching reading of report text at the junior high school. Second one, to investigate student and teacher responses toward teaching reading report text using audio visual at the junior high school. And third one, to identify student difficulties in learning reading report text using audiovisual at the junior high school. And the last one, to know student and teacher obstacle in learning reading report text using audiovisual at the junior high school. And chapter 2, literature review. Reading. Reading is done to reduce the meaning of a text, which transmits the process resulting from meaning negotiation between the text and the reader. Reading comprehension gain a knowledge, hope, and strategy to the reader. Reading means understanding the meaning of written word or symbol as described. Battle Engine 2008. And next, report text. A report text is a text that conveys information about something easily as it is. It is the result of a lot of careful observation and study. A text report is a text that informs something as it is, without being exaggerated as a result of systematic research and analysis. Griffith, 2006. And next, audiovisual. When teaching English as a foreign language, using audiovisual aid as a media can be beneficial to the teacher. It is a learning aid is utilized as a medium for delivering material to students during instruction. Sayufullah, 2008. And next, WhatsApp media. WhatsApp is a popular technology application in daily life with many users in the world. As a social media network, WhatsApp can use to get information fast. In the context of teaching and learning process, WhatsApp is able to help the student to interact with each other by using English whenever and wherever. Besides that, WhatsApp are able to help the student increase language skill like speaking, writing, reading, and listening. The ECA 2003. And next, I have three previous study. The first from Ola Datun uh, to 2020 entitled Effect of Audiovisual Social Media Resources Supported Instruction on Learning Outcomes in Reading. And then from Yan 2021 entitled Research on Blended Teaching Method of Audiovisual Courses of English Major. And the last from Perez 2018 entitled Implementing Audiovisual Material Videos as an Incidental Vocabulary Learning Strategy in Second or Foreign Language Learner Vocabulary Development. And next, Chapter 3, Research Methodology. Research method. The qualitative research method is a research method that collects and analyzes data in the form of word and human action without attempting to quantify the quantitative data. Mulyadi, 2011. And next, research design. This research use a qualitative descriptive research design is as the research methodology. Descriptive research is research with data collected in the form of word, picture, and not numbers. Descriptive qualitative is research that tend to explore the development and provide the best understanding of a research problem by revealing the general character of issues. Mas Yudianti, Masito, and Nisa, 2018. And next, the subject of the research. The participants of this research were students of the 9th grade in SMPN to Padalarang in the academic year 2021 until 2022, and an English teacher. There were 35 students chosen as participants, and an English teacher was a professional teacher. And then I have five instruments. The first one is document, second one observation sheet, third one questionnaire, fourth one interview, and the last one test. Also, I have data collection. The first one is document, second one is observation sheet, third one questionnaire, fourth one interview, and the last test. Data analysis. To analyze the data, the researcher used descriptive, qualitative. There were three activities to analyze the data in the research, namely the first one, reduction, second one, data display, and the last one, verification. Miles and Hamberman, 19 and 94. Chapter 4, the result of the research. The scenario and implementation. The first meeting, the topic was about report text, the purpose, of report text. Pre-activity, the teacher shared a link of WhatsApp to students and started the learning process with greeting. Then the teacher asked students to pray together. The teacher checked attendance of the student by asking them to turn on camera and wrote down the attendance list on paper. Main activity, the teacher implemented the stage of main part in the learning. In simulation, the teacher saw the example of report text entitled Candi Borobudur on WhatsApp group, and the teacher asked a student to read the report text. And the last post activity, the teacher informed the material that would be studied in the next meeting. She also motivated the student. And next, the scenario and implementation in second meeting. The goal of these meetings, learning was to teach the student about the basic structure of report text. Pre-activity, the teacher shared a link of WhatsApp to student and started the learning process with greeting. Teacher screenshot the video to the student. She also asked the student to read report text. And next, main activity, the teacher asked some questions related the story of Candi Borobudur and the generic structure of report text. In data collection stage, the teacher gave student time to figure it out and found the information about generic structure of report text. And the last post activity, the teacher informed the material that would be studied in the next meeting. She also motivated the student. And the last, the scenario and implementation. On third meeting, the topic was about language feature of report text. The first activity, the teacher asked students if they were ready to start the lesson. She then continued by showing the slide of the audiovisual to the student. She also asked the student to read report text. And next, main activity, the teacher started the lesson by asking students about previous material related to generic structure of report text. The teacher has implemented the main activity based off the scenario that has been designed before. Regarding to students, some of them seemed to have difficulties in the use of past tense. The teacher gave the explanation and the student could finally understand it. And the last post activity, the teacher asked student to prepare for the test and asked the student to fill out the questionnaire on Google Form. And next, teacher respond the result of the interview. The teacher had a positive response to the use of audiovisual using WhatsApp in teaching reading comprehension of report content. The teacher agreed that using audiovisual and WhatsApp to educate and learning reading was beneficial. It increased the quality of teaching. The teacher had to spend more time preparing the lesson material. As a result, she would have an easier time teaching reading. And next, the student response. In this fourth indicator of response attention, 38.36% got the highest score compared to the other three indicators. It was then followed by confidence 20.66%, satisfaction 20.58%, and relevance 20.39%. In attention indicator, most of the students agree the audiovisual that the teacher applied in teaching reading made them interested and had high willingness to take a part in the lesson. They also agree that the media used could help them in understanding the material. It also helped them in eliminating the word concept, as the material delivered were easy to be comprehended. And next, in the confidence indicator, almost all of the students agree that by the method used by the teacher might give an opportunity for them to express their opinion. They were also motivated to get the high score. Then is the satisfaction indicator. The students agree that the use audiovisual helped them increasing their reading ability. It also prompted them to increase their ability in delivering opinion. Meanwhile, in relevance indicator, the student agreed that the use of the audiovisual in teaching reading was interesting. It helped them in understanding the concept easily. And next, according to the Likert scale calculation, the cumulative score of the student responses was 81%. This score was assigned to the category strongly agree. As a result, it can be concluded that their student responded positively to the use of audiovisual through WhatsApp to teach reading comprehension of report contents. And then student difficulties. The student had difficulties finding the main idea about 10.8% student finding particular details, 27.1%, and identifying vocabulary, 46.2%. Then there was also a problem in recognizing the reference, 48.7%, and identifying inference, 56.8%. And next, teacher's obstacle. The teacher encountered a technological confidence barrier during the first meeting. She was perplexed by the idea of sharing the media via WhatsApp. The teacher also encountered an issues with the internet network. To join WhatsApp, the teacher needed to choose a nice location with a good internet connection before beginning the class. Student obstacle. The most difficulties faced by the student were lack of mobile data, slow internet, or bad signal. They also had some difficulty understanding the reading material when using audio visual through WhatsApp. And next, chapter 5, in the last chapter, the conclusion of the research. Conclusion, I have a first conclusion. The first one, the use of an audiovisual method to teach reading reporting is in accordance with the scenario. The students are engaged and enthusiastic. Second one, both the student and the teacher have positive response to the use of audiovisual in teaching reading a report text. The student thinks that it helped them to have a high willingness in learning. And third one, the student difficulty in reading is identifying inference. This is impacted to their understanding in reading a text. And the last one, the internet connection and device quota are the student and teachers' biggest obstacle in learning, in online learning. Besides, the teacher also have a problem with technical confidence. And the last one, suggestion. I have 3 suggestions. The first, for the teacher should devote more time to the learning process, paying close attention to the student engagement and the reading abilities. Teachers should be more creative when it comes to finding using useful media, especially when it comes to online teaching and learning. Moreover, it is better for teachers to teach reading tricks so that the student become familiar with even longer texts. And then second one, for the student. Students are required to read frequently. It helps them in improving their English, particularly in identifying inference, which receive the lowest score in the study reading element. And the last one, for the next researcher, the researcher discovered that the study is not a dial. There are some unfavorable reactions as well as roadblocks. The next researcher should pay greater attention to the implementation of audiovisual in discovery learning. This research can be used as a reference by the following researchers. Okay, enough from me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.